Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete drafts on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on Drafts. Now you can tap on Select at the top right of your screen. Tap on the circle icon at the top of your videos. Select Delete. Tap on Delete to permanently delete your drafts. And that's it. This is how you delete your drafts on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.